Hello guys, good day everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I am going to show you how to make this bra cup. Okay, and it is really pretty. So either way is you can use it. So you can use this way, you can use this way, or you can use this way. Okay, so it's up to you. Okay, so for this tutorial, this is for size M, and the measurement is 15 centimeter. Okay, in the bottom here, and the same as there as well. Okay, so this one is for size M, and I am using my 100 cotton yarn. It is 4-ply, and it is Bella Baby. It's a tooth garok cotton 4-ply, and recommended crochet hook for this is 3.5 millimeter hook, but I'm going to use my 2.5 millimeter hook so you can get this nice texture. Okay, it is very clean texture. Okay, so you will be needing your crochet hook, which is I choose to use 2.5 millimeter hook. So it depends on what yarn you're using, so you just have to match your yarn with your needles, and scissors and tape measure to get your measurement. And if you wish to use a stitch marker, yes, so you have this ready as well. Okay, so let's start, guys. Okay guys, so to begin with our project, so as I mentioned before, I will be using my 2.5 millimeter hook and my cotton yarn. Okay, so to start with, we always make our slip knot. Okay, so just wrap there and then pull, and from here we are going to make our foundation chain. So this part is where you can adjust. Okay, so I will be making size M. Okay, so I'm going to chain up to 20. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so with this one, this will be on the side of your bust. Okay, so if you want smaller, okay, you can decrease your chain. If you want bigger, and then you can increase. Okay, so from here I'm going to chain one more for our turn stitch, but this it doesn't count. Okay, and then so we will be doing our single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Okay, so the one that we made, and then the second one. Okay, 2 loops, and then yarn over, and then pull through, and to the next one. Okay, insert your hook. Okay, pull up a loop, and you have 2 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through all 2. So that is our single crochet. Okay, and we are just going to continue doing our single crochet until to the end of this row. Okay, so then we have 20 chain. So continue doing that, guys, and I'll come back and meet you at the end. Okay, guys, so I am into my last stitch. Okay, and just single crochet, and then from here, so just make sure that you counted, okay, that you have 20 chain. Okay, so from here, chain 1 and turn your work. So this, from this row, okay, it will be a repeat. Okay, so chain 1 and then turn your work, and then the first chain here, as you can see, this chain here, we are going, this is our first chain, but we are going to work on the back loop. Back loop is this one here, and we are going to do a back loop, a single crochet. So just one back loop single crochet, and you will have a 20 stitches to work on. Okay, so continue doing that, guys, and I will meet you at this end. So I have 2 stitches left before we reach the end. Okay, so in this part, okay, so you don't have to look for the last stitch. This is where you can, your stitch marker, you can use your stitch marker to mark the first chain. Okay, so this is your first chain. Okay, so we will do that on the next row. Okay, so I will just be continuing this. So we're just going to do the back loop single crochet. Okay, so and then chain 1, and we don't count chain 1 as a stitch. So from here we are going to do the back loop, first chain here and back loop. Okay, so this is where you put your stitch marker into that chain. Okay, so to keep, and you know where to go. Okay, so, and you can use in the other side as well if you wanted. Okay, but that's how you use your stitch marker to make it easier. Okay, so we are just going to repeat, okay, the second row into the third row. It's just back loop single crochet across. Okay, and you will be doing that for a few rows. Okay, so when you got to the end, chain 1 and then back loop single crochet. Okay, so we will be doing that, and I will meet you up into the end so I can show you again, and then we will be doing, I will be doing it off camera, and then you can just do yours as well off camera, and then I will meet you back. Okay, I'm into the second to the last chain. Okay, so this is my last one here. So just make sure and you count your stitches. Okay, so the same here, you can put your marker here so you have, and you know, so you know where is your last chain or first chain, okay, of the row. Okay, so from here it's repeat. Okay, so chain 1, turn your work, and back loop single crochet, and you're just going to continue that. Okay, so this is how it looks like at the moment. Okay, so you continue doing that, guys. Back loop. Okay, so back loop here, back loop double crochet, and then turn one, and then back loop single crochet and turn. Okay, and we need, okay, so this how I count. Okay, so this one here, I count this. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so we needing 8 of this. Okay, and then we will be working this way. So you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, with this bump. Okay, so do that, guys, and I will meet you back again. Okay, guys, so I have completed my rows. Okay, so it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 rows. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 bumps. Okay, so from here, I'm going to chain one. Okay, so with this row here, we are going to do this part now. Okay, so back loop single crochet, the same as what we're doing. Okay, so continue doing that, guys, and I will meet you up here when you got to this end. Okay, guys, so this is my last chain here. So in this chain, we are going to do 3 single crochet, and we're going to, in the first row here, we're going to do a single crochet and single crochet into the next space. So every row we're going to do 1 single crochet in this side. Okay, because this is our row side, so not a back loop single crochet, but we're doing single crochet. Okay, so 1 each. So as you can see, so 1 here, and then here is another one. Okay, and here is another one, and here, and we're going to do the last part and chain 1. Okay, so from here we will be doing the same as we do before. Just single crochet, back loop single crochet in this side now, just back loop single crochet. Okay, so continue doing that, guys. So here we don't increase, so we just going to back loop in every chain. Finish this, guys, and I will come back and meet you up here. Okay, guys, so as you can see in this part here, so we did increase in here, but this row we are just going to back loop single crochet into every chain. We don't increase anymore. So just continue doing that, and we will be repeating this row, okay, until you get your rows. So I will do this, guys, okay, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so continue doing that, guys, and I will do one more rows, okay, and I'm going to show you guys, and then you can continue, and I will continue as well off the camera, and I'll come back when I have my complete row. Second to the last stitch, and this is my last stitch. Chain one, turn your work, and we are going to repeat back loop, single crochet. Okay, continue doing that, guys, and we will be doing in the middle here, so you don't increase, you're just going to do one back loop, single crochet, the same as what we did in the previous row. Okay, so complete doing that, guys. So complete this row, and then chain one, complete this row, chain one, complete this row, and until you get your measurement. Okay, so I will come back, guys, and I will show you how many rows I did. As you can see, guys, we have completed our project, and I do have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 with this long part as well as this side here. So it's up to you guys, you can add more here if you want more coverage, okay, and this side as well. So this is our foundation, so if you're bigger you can add longer, okay, if you're smaller you can decrease the stitches if you're bigger, and then you increase the stitches. Okay, so this is our project today. So as you can see, guys, so I have two here. Okay, so for this tutorial I will be ending here, as this tutorial is just for showing you guys how to make this pattern for the bikini. Okay, and I will do another tutorial for making this or turning this into a bikini with a complete strap. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. If you like this video, okay, please hit that like button, and you can share as well. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell, so you will get notified every time I will post a new video. I know I've been away for a while. I will catch up, and hopefully you like this video, guys, and I will see you in my next video. See ya, bye.